Can you elaborate a bit more on that? So, what does having a woman as a founder or in the founding team, what does that do? How does that help? So, somebody who might be listening and who has no idea, what is your understanding of that now?
See, first I want to step back a bit. So, in the VC ecosystem or even in the corporate, we find it so difficult to get, girls. So, the whole discussion of equal opportunity and stuff like that. For us, what I realized is, when you are in colleges, I'm sure even you know that some of the brightest ones when we were studying are the girls. But when we get to career, we hardly see them because they have many other priorities. They have families, they have their own challenges. So they have, whether it's any culture that you take, globally, you take any culture, they have their own challenges, right? So it's not just a India story. But because we started working with the colleges, suddenly girls found a calling. So now it's a equal opportunity, and they were the ones who wanted to come and grab it. The girls who wants to become entrepreneurs in college are probably the ones who are a lot more mature. So they are the ones who are going to say that why should I go and get into a corporate job? Let me go and build the innovation. So one is, there is a natural filtering that happens when you get to the college and this one level. They are much more smarter. But more importantly, the reason why they are successful or they are able to hold the team together is that they are a lot more emotionally balanced, which you normally know. Second, I think when it comes to youngsters, there is a natural acceptance of someone who is smarter, someone who is mature, right? We know it as friends, someone who is slightly more mature. This one, irrespective of the gender, we start following them and respect them. So all these our friends, etc., will start coming up only after we get older. Right? When we find a girl in the corporate, it becomes that much more difficult for us to accept and vice versa. Similarly, we are much better off listening to our daughters than listening to our spouses. I think it's just a frame of mind at the young age makes it, and naturally that a girl who is at 20 is a lot more mature than a boy at 20, right? In terms of their understanding, in terms of even managing the situation, probably some of the reasons why they are doing much better.